Hello, my name is Megan and I'm with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. And in this video, I want to talk about guardianships, specifically what the guardianship landscape looks like in 2025 and, what does that mean for aging parents? As you may know, I've been in estate planning, guardianship, and probate for many years. And one of the things that I've always talked to you about is how to deal with your aging parents. Well, I'm now living it. And I know you may think I'm 25, but I'm at the age where this is really concrete in my life. First, we went through it with my grandparents, and now we're actually going through it with our parents. So what does it look like in 2025? What are some of the changes that may affect you and affect you personally? Firstly, usually when it comes to guardianship, certain things would disqualify you right away, wherein you can't seek guardianship of a parent because you would be disqualified. Some of those disqualifying things may have been that you have a felony and that felony is of some status where they think that it affects your moral turpitude. Well, now in 2025 and onwards, guess what? You can possibly be the guardian of your parent even if you have a felony. So your parent could designate you within their paperwork, within their estate plan, saying, I want Johnny to be the guardian of my person, that's of their body and of my estate. But the parents and everybody knows that Johnny has a felony. Well, the felony doesn't right away exclude you anymore from being your parent's guardian. Actually, it is something that you could overcome. And so if the attorney ad litem or guardian ad litem for your parent agrees to that, and if the family isn't fighting that, and if your crime isn't against your mom or dad or your elderly parent that you're seeking the guardianship for, you could overcome that presumption and you could still be the guardian of their estate. So, for many people, think about it. You could be 60, 70 years old. You haven't gotten into any trouble for the last 40 plus years. And because you had something when you were young, when you were a teenager even, it's going to disqualify you from actually being the guardian of your parents' estate. Well, that's not automatic anymore. And that's something that you can pursue even with a felony within the state of Texas. So my name again is Megan. If you like these videos, please click like, please subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, we won't really know what you like. And also leave your comments. Let me know how you are going through this guardianship process, and let's have a communication line open because I really want to hear from you. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.